Yeah. Here we go.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Shine Online. I'm here with my friend Amy. How are you doing today?
Doing great. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm excited to hear about some of the things that inspire you.
I am inspired by people and places.
When you say places, can you tell me what that means for you in your journey?
For me, I thought growing up here in southern West Virginia, I could still go see the world. And I made it my mission to see all 50 states through a series of solo and family road trips. And the next day, after completing actually Hawaii, I got in my head I needed to see continents. And off I went. I made it to all of them except the elusive Antarctica.
Wow. So you've done a lot of these journeys on your own?
Mm-hmm.
What was that like traveling as a Soloventurist?
You know, I felt like I could really engage and just follow what smelled good, what sounded good, wake up when I wanted, take really early tours or sleep in. I'm usually catering to the comfort of those around me. So to be able to just go and be inspired was awesome. And also, I really met a lot of cool locals that way. They kind of take you under their wing.
Well, was it ever scary being by yourself in some of these places?
There were places I had to be extra careful. I was surprised by glass on the walls in Ecuador. I found places I couldn't go out after 5 o'clock, places they would check if my $5 bill was real. And learning how to be safe was part of it. Yeah.
Did you have a high point or any of your favorite things during your travels?
I think making a new friend in Peru when I barely knew English and we were stuck on a bus late at night using the 50 words we both knew, and we were able to become friends.
Oh,
yeah.
So he barely knew English.
I think I said that wrong. Good catch. Good catch.
That's okay. I just wanted to make sure. But that's pretty cool to be able to communicate with someone anywhere in the world and to be able to make a friend. If you were to give somebody advice, even myself, because I'm always interested in traveling but scared to travel by myself, what would you tell somebody?
I always found it useful to change some currency ahead of time. I like to travel with like $400 extra in case I showed up in Mexico once. Guess what? My credit card didn't work, so I'm having to shell out cash to pay for the trip that I thought was already paid for. Same thing happened in Paris. Yes, so have extra cash ready because you can't always count on changing it over. And have your airport plan. How are you going to get there? Is it Uber? Can you get Wi-Fi? Is it a taxi? You can read all these amazing blogs online that'll tell you the little bridge to cross for the cheapest taxi and all this cool stuff. I did it all on a shoestring budget. Wow. Yeah.
So you can do it on your own. You just got to figure out your travels. Make sure you have a good budget. And is there any safety precautions we should take?
There's apps where you can let people know where you are. I always wanted to be walkable from home. If I made new friends, even if I felt comfortable and confident, I would keep the transportation under my own separate control just to know I can always get out if I want to.
I love that.
Yeah.
So that's really inspiring because, like I said, I've always wanted to travel the world, but there's this like scary fear that I'm going to get lost or I'm going to get trapped somewhere. And you are just this adventurer that goes on their own and figures it out. So I hope to hear more from you in the future about how that journey goes. But I'm curious right now, what are some projects you're excited about?
Well, I am excited for this.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Alley Cat's Adventure Club, new magazine out, lots of climbing articles. You can learn all about the screaming barfies and some other cool things.
Where can people find your magazine?
So you can check it out online. Alley Cat's Adventure Club is on Facebook and Instagram.
Okay. And where can people follow you in your journeys?
Soloventurist.
How do we spell that?
Soloventurist on Instagram.
Wow. Okay. Well, I am really excited to see where you end up next, and I'm grateful that you decided to shine on with me.
Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.